Pregnancy. First trimester. What to expect. Introduction. All of your baby's major organs, as well as the nervous system, begin to develop during the first trimester. Select true or false. Correct. By the end of the first trimester, all of your baby's major organs and the nervous systems have begun to form. Laura has missed her last period. Every morning she feels very nauseous. Her breasts are tender and she has felt dizzy and tired. Could she be pregnant? Select yes or no. Correct. Laura may be experiencing the symptoms of early pregnancy. It is normal to have mixed emotions about your pregnancy. Select true or false. Correct. Many mothers feel a range of emotions after finding out about the pregnancy. This is normal. It's important to discuss these emotions with a caring adult. Doing so can help you prepare a happy home for you and your baby. You should be prepared to discuss which of the following during your first prenatal visit. Choose one of the following options. 1. Family or personal history of diseases. 2. Surgical operations. 3. Past pregnancies. 4. All of the above. Correct. You will receive the best possible care if you give your healthcare provider complete and accurate answers to his or her questions. Do you need to stop exercising because you are pregnant? Select yes or no. Correct. Most pregnant women are encouraged to exercise unless their healthcare provider tells them otherwise. Aim for a moderate level of intensity. Also, it is best to spread your workouts throughout the week. It is okay to call your healthcare provider when you are concerned about the changes caused by pregnancy. Select true or false. Correct. Call your healthcare provider to discuss your concerns about your pregnancy. It is better to ask too many questions than deal with the stress of not knowing whether a change is normal. Thank you for using Explain.